Hello dear students, today we are going to talk about present perfect tense, and here we are going to see the conditions or where we are going to use the present perfect tense. All these things are there. So let us take page number 62. Present perfect tense indicates an action that has just finished. So present perfect tense indicates an action that has just finished. Just for example, you can see on the other side, the sun has just set. Sunil has just slept. Next one expresses past action whose time is not mentioned. So it expresses what? Past actions whose time is not mentioned. On the other side, you can see the examples. We have discussed this before. I have completed the task. The other one expresses past actions that affect the present. Let's see once more. Expresses past actions that affect the present. Let's see, for example, I have missed the bus. Mohan has informed them. So these are some conditions, okay, where we use present perfect tense. And let us remember this chart, okay, as I've already written here. You can see like first comes the subject, then we have, okay, have oblique has, and then we place past participle of the main verb. Past participle of the main verb. So remember this one. For perfect tense, we must use, okay, the subject, okay, plus have or has, then past participle of the main verb. Now let's see the first person singular, I have gone. So I is the subject. We can see have, okay, have, has, this is an auxiliary verb, and we have, okay, past participle of the main verb. Here we can see that, okay, gone is the past participle of the main verb. Then we have gone, second person singular, you have gone, second person plural, you have gone, third person singular, he, she, it has gone, and then third person plural, they have gone. So remember this chart, okay, whenever you use or speak in present perfect tense, make sure that, okay, all these things are there. So we cannot just simply say that, okay, like for some time we say, okay, I go on there. So that is absolutely wrong. We must, okay, use the correct form as I have already written here, subject plus have, otherwise has, and then past participle of the main verb. Now let us see the exercise. Question number C. Choose the correct options to complete the sentences. So we have to select the correct options and do this work. Surya does then French for 20 years. For 20 years. So Surya has spoken. Okay, the main verb is speak. Main means the root, okay, that is the root form, a root verb. So Surya has spoken French for 20 years. Let us move on to the next one. Since these options are already there, we have to select the correct options and do the exercises. Since it is already there, I am not going to show you anymore. So please continue right this way. Let us move on to question number D. Complete this passage with the present perfect forms of the verbs in the bracket. So we need to remember that these blanks are to be completed by filling up what? Present perfect forms of the verbs. Like the first one, okay, I, das, then we have in a drama. So what is the main verb over here? Perform. So I have performed. I have performed in a drama. Let us write the next one and put, okay, for every sentence, we need to number every sentence, just like this, okay. Number 2, what is written there? Suchit. Suchit does the role of a king. The role of a king. So here the Suchit has played, what is that? Played. Suchit has played the role of a king. So this is how you ought to do after uh, page number 63. So question number C and D is your homework. And I ask you to write down in the copy. So question number C and D you will be writing in the copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of clarifications, you may ask. Thank you.